When we humans live in space one day, we're going to need to grow food, just like we do here on Earth. And a new discovery about moss just brought us one step closer to solving that problem. In the vacuum of space, there's no oxygen or water. There's cosmic radiation and enormous temperature swings from like negative 250 all the way up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Corn and potatoes are not going to do well, but a humble moss, Physcometrium patens, the stuff that grows on the side of ditches across much of the world, is weirdly good at this. And we know this because scientists just sent these moss spores into space, fixed them to the outside of the International Space Station, and after 9 months, over 80% of the spores survived, retaining their ability to germinate. And like honestly, that kind of tracks because this isn't the first time that bryophytes, which include moss, have done something like this. 500 million years ago, these were the first species that moved from water to land and created our world today by increasing the oxygen levels in the Earth's atmosphere. We owe it all to moss. And the really cool part is now we know these moss spores can be brought to the moon or to Mars and grown in space greenhouses to provide astronauts food and oxygen and medicine. And when we have these greenhouses, we can then start to cultivate other plants that are more tolerant of these conditions. So the next time you see moss on a brick or in a lava field of an active volcano, remember that that little guy has passed a test that most living things would fail, and it did it in space. If you like stories about plants and other ecology, give me a follow.